Doggy, she wants to go to run with me. Whee! Whee! Is that fun? Is that fun? Kika and the doggy likes to run. Woof, woof, woof. The doggy's turn to go on. Huh. Meow. Meow. I like to go on. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Woof, 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 woof. You like that one? Yeah. I like that one. We all like Have a poopies.
Oh, Faith, you really cracked me up. Thanks. I hear you having a conversation with your family, your doll family.
Yeah, but, oh no, my dolls. My dolls.
What about your dolls?
Because we made a mess.
Who made a mess? You made a mess?
No, me.
Bryson's not even here. You're always trying to get him in trouble, huh?
Yeah, my shit. Lock them down. Ah, dude! I'm not telling you. Oh,
Imaginations. Remember being this age, huh?
he's gonna put that away. Papa, Papa, you can lie down. Go. Lie down, Daddy. We are going to get you warm. The people are going to get him a warm. And he's going to take a tubby. Go. Who's good? You're going to make me. Hey, has one.
Yep, that's the potty.
Who goes on the party?
Everybody goes on that potty.
What's the baby?
Yep, I don't know. Baby goes on the potty too.
What's the baby?
I don't know. Where is it?
Is it in the car? No. That's silly. Doggy and a kitty cat going bye-byes. Meow. Your mama, they want their mommies. Right, Mama?
Yeah.
Meow. They're going upstairs.
So, Faith, how was your first coffee today? That was good, huh?
Yeah.
Mama got you your own coffee.
Meow. Yeah. Bye-bye. The doggy is going bye-bye.
Yeah.
He was going bye-bye.
Okay, can you say bye to the camera?
Bye, camera.
Want to blow kisses? Oh. Do it again, princess. Look at the camera. Blow kisses? Oh, say I love you.
I love you.
Oh, I love you more.
Meow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
The kitty cat say bye-bye.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
That's a